into the corner wall, like really against the wall. Okay. Hello?
What the hell? Bloody hell.
That was pretty scary.
My volume was all the way up. My
That's
volume
scary.
was all the way up.
Me too.
It's Valentine's. It's the Valentine's guy. I'm hiding behind the couch, bro. I don't know about you.
It's because it's Valentine's Day?
Yes.
My volume was all the way up. That was so loud.
That scared me.
Me too. Mine was also all the way up. I genuinely realized.
Mine was at 2, but it was still very loud.
Oh my
Mine's
God.
all the way up. I don't know about you guys.
I don't know
Joy
about
said-
you. I'm hiding behind the freaking couch. I might die.
I'm cooked. No, get away from me. Get away from me, you bitch!
Abby, please leave me alone.
Oh my God! All of these people with leafy sonas. I
Oh
want a
my
leafy
god, he's so
sona.
loud.
Oh God, Emery.
He's louder than Emery.
Exactly!
Oh, I was murdered. I was murdered. I have been
Hell,
murdered.
it's so loud.
Oh, I'm scared.
No, for some reason I'm not.
Wait, he's stuck on you?
I think so.
They're low-key hugging Chi-Chi, I don't know.
Yeah, wait. Oh, you love me too.
Why?
Why? When will it move? When do I die? If he gets stuck behind me, you guys better be so happy.